Kofi, good morning.
Good morning.
But you know what to say?
Sankene Champions League. Na yenko free.
Highline for no. Highline SC.
Adiego.
And the bench mu.
Enjeje
mu. Barca ni bia be umusa na so bo. Pense obo bia musa akahye.
Ah, praise the Jeje.
Oba ya no tena ase. And Andy say na want to say no was start. Chairman, obi musa Barca game no azbo. I said
football club. Jumade
say tia we say ah. Which the man what we say nchemu nguzi
na enra me de omu di referee na chisa ye po match na Rafinha ne Hansi Flick e di referee chisa referee ko dressing room na chi am say ah na Rafinha opere referee dressing room o mo referee ni the report sa no ko ya pon match ya pon Girona for jemu ni asena na Barca for the referee chi Rich, do you know what I thought of when the game ended?
No.
I think you've been vindicated.
I know.
When you say consistently, now I catch me say, essence Flick, more pragmatic, and that was your word.
Yeah.
In certain games, because Rich, especially if system now is dependent on three things that say emuba kubia nye perfect system jigu. And once it affects system no born, I can several times say it is more of a German direct system infused with the Spanish tiki-taka.
Okay.
And with the borrow. Almost Spain, Yankita born can cry for manipulating spaces nyanko, but they will rather play quicker. Rich in playing quicker, so Bobo ko any tema. Yinti omo highline and say, "Oh, timi nya defensive line nkwa wechire, na space in better defense, any midfield ni attack ni tem." It is a bone by the new tema. And say defense to push it up. Near be push it up. Rich. But what keeps the highlight effective is the intensity of the press. And we've said consistently, say, for all of the games that Barcelona had played this season, but for a non-major match, no, one pay, and another Barca without with Rafinha no Malusu. So Rafinha will because he's good at the intensity, he gives them something. Rich again. So also highliner. In that highline, you need a near perfect defensive organizer. I've constantly said that. Maybe Barcelona fans, by virtue of contract obligations, they had to allow Inigo Martinez go. But Inigo was the defensive leader that constantly kept the highline spot on. Which since then, any Girona Nkwan, me can say against Espanyol, Barca should have lost that game. They had played against La Real Mo. A lot of teams this season, they have struggled. Even Levante, Elche, these clubs. Barca ni Bobiana, uti say, nkatini yeni nyoma yeka klebi obesha Barcelona. And Rich, yesterday at Girona, it was a place where the same football club, the same Girona team, this season, were Madrid that dropping point to the same grounds. Honestly speaking, I told myself after the game that I need to give Rich a stone, honestly, because Hansi Flick has to be pragmatic in certain games. So I feel 100% fit. So when you're a defensive leader with Jordan, that's how pressing you're perfectly intense. You need to sometimes be pragmatic. And now, so what's your bonibia? Say Girona for Barcelona nyabo no so ko break Girona down. You can see a lot of the Girona players behind the ball. But say Girona for team nya break Barcelona na quite 1v1 and I say against Juan Garcia. But for young Garcia's heroics, the Barca fans are saying that they should have scored more. Girona could have also scored more, but for Juan Garcia. And me, I don't think that there was a red card. There was a foul anywhere. Me Sabona just kunde Barca for It was a 50-50 ball. And Claudio Echeverri wanted to go in for the ball, same as you. Now Echeverri in the winning ball on the first and they follow to Nhyira. A friend is saying Jules Koundé Naso. The referee says that was okay for him. He played on. VAR doesn't check things like that. VAR ensures and you maybe say a clear obvious error. So he doesn't check things like that.
see, you didn't see Echiva say Otia.
Oh, Mankasa.
No, I'm asking you, say you didn't see that.
No, that's not what I said.
And then what you said.
No, you asked me, said, me say, I didn't see that.
Me say. And now we're going.
I watched the game.
You saw Sarah 50-50 tackle.
Yeah, exactly, that's what I said.
Did you see Echiva say after winning the ball?
Yes. That's exactly what I said.
And you said that is not a foul.
But he has won the game.
No, yes, he won the ball. But
yes.
No, he won the ball.
It's a follow through. The referee can decide to for that.
No, maybe so say.
Yeah.
Who say Otiana naso?
I can't say me Otiana naso. Yes,
but who did say any foul?
No, any foul.
Oh, okay.
Any foul. The game has to go on.
And the only is no, I'm a bookmark.
I'm the train. We don't even say foul. Honestly speaking. Because Ekivari won the ball. Winning ball now, all team Pejani 9 fan to next year, and now team fan 9 come baby. The leg obviously will step on something.
But it's a foul.
No, you see, say who you referee now Gina now shot.
So what you two say the 9 Canadian is a foul.
Which and then Indian a foul. And then Kasari and the football contact sports. There have been several times Obina Kirby and a foul. We've seen it several times. Say Obina Nyaka a foul. Hey, and the ball
so in this instance, no, I think what happened is answer now 9 back player and so 9 cabo answer.
Yes, and Kiveri won the ball. Like Ayala himself said, anybody that watched the game, I watched the game. Claudia Kiveri winning ball. And then in fact, after the game, I watched the post match. Only we say Kiveri said, oh, we need ball and I don't say Annie. But I cannot say Annie. And I say, could have been a foul. And I say, yes, but that's dependent on the referee.
Sure. I know them.
So in terms of these things, it is always what's the way? Subjective. I have a perspective, but man, already a foul, and I can understand. But my perspective is we really ball every year, and me and she, and body here pinche bite kuade. Rich, but Hansi Flick say Pedriba. I say Pedriba be a versa. I see this week Pedriba, Gavi is returned to training. Minim say Marcus Rashford could have been a savior for Barca, sir. And I never knew. Say Barca for bit me that sorry omo opinion share Marcus Rashford. But almost Rashford so bad this week. Into a ban you bit me sound. But Rich and Lamine Yamal say penalty. I didn't expect that to happen. And Rich, you see this the ball. In fact, so share the clear party compound. Only relate because Kunde team can chance and the 9 can't Claudia Kiveri. A Kiveri team can chance and the 9 can't use Kunde. VAR doesn't look at this.
But at that point, when an equitable,
a 50-50.
Okay,
like both of us. First off, a Kunde and one control here. I think the ball came off Kunde. It's a one 50-50. And a Kivari, a quick winning the follow to Tiana and also. And that was clear. I wish I want to catch him no with Tiano. They went on, VAR did not look at it and Rich, but the truth of the matter is that Kunde is in a bad spell in the season. Kunde who born also. Who's the first to tackle his Oduma? Kunde bet me a coincide. Nako a bon share. But now you're not getting that from Kunde. And I think that these things are beginning to affect the Barca team. So and Juan Garcia proved again that he's very important. This is how the Spanish La Liga table looks like. Avera Balo Abai and Washef Wabo 5, Washef 5. And I see Flake edge fanable.
Interesting time ahead. League in a bad desert.
But I've got to watch it. BBSC. But your body rich on Medjin. I hope you on Medjin.
Bajo, Mr.
Oh, gosh.
He's him. I'm going to have for my mommy. What's hard the bass of one become home as a best. I'm coach and I'm no problem. So, referee and me maybe has a flake catch them.
Yeah.
I'm on them. Okay, I'm a friend. I'm friend of Catherine Hansi. So, I saw Shanko for ya. I have the antidote.
Hansi said that.
Me manukra, manuensi, man church and seven cra. And was a come on to. Say more and church movie. I'm a family team. If you want, I'm so okay. I'll become a town for.
But since then, as a team, I found on only team, bre.
And say, if you are 2 fluent here, catch us a Hansi. Highlight do maybe a chicken kakra.
All right, and now
pragmatic kakra.
After the game, I felt okay. Sometimes you need to change, especially when the things you
now
know
go game one
perfect.
Game plan into any plan B. So go share team bia the players no. Omo intelligent kakra bi omo use IQ no be show.
I say Pedri buy bia fine.
Be show simple gra.
Pedri buy bia fine.
Ovi en Champions League na.
Na and Champions League, you know. But these are no small teams though.
Oh yeah.
It's another big Champions League nighter.
Sure.
Ever because so honum. Now, meaning say as the days goes by, now I ask you if Madrid have what it takes. Rich, I should have started with the Paris Saint-Germain game, but I'll start with the Madrid game. And I'll say this. There is C and Na Girona no. Will give Madrid enough motivation. Say not Benfica match we add more based on not the stature of Benfica, but the stature of Jose Mourinho and the history that they have had there. When you say Madrid as a club in the Champions League, they have not gotten success at the Stadio de Dalu in terms of winning matches or Champions League. Some call them out. Yes, if it is about just going to play against a different club, they get a success there, like when they won the Champions League. But if essentially it comes down to playing against Benfica as a club, in the final game of the Champions League group stages, told that story. Benfica were out. Then Jose Mourinho calls his goalkeeper, tell him, say, go and attack the ball. Okoye, and he gave them a chance. Now, I'm going to share team a friend football club Real Madrid now. And Jose Mourinho can't see me. Meaning, say, Avera Beloa is a boy. But he should reduce the amount of mind games or person who will Beloa team. And you're fine. He's trying to take advantage of Arbeloa too much. This is what he said. I want to eliminate Madrid from the UCL, but I really want Madrid to win the La Liga. I will be a Madrid star forever. This connection will never end. Trying to tell Arbeloa, say, "Oba no champ league ready or bullshit."
You know,
hard here.
And you deep. Yes, Marino.
Rich, I feel like this is a game where Madrid, in terms of injuries, have almost the full pack back. We say against La Real, almost a branch of friend Antonio Rudiger back in the team. Now, according to Marca, they are going to play Rudiger, Dean Heitsen, Carreras, and then Trent Alexander-Arnold. One of the best players of Madrid over the weekend was Trent, because he had the space and time to come inside, to come and create the chance and play as well as he wanted to play. And I think that offered a lot of time and space for other Goulet to push up. Same for Branch FN or Chimeni. He expected Federico Valverde is going to be also in the middle with Mbappe and Vinicius Jr. back in the squad. Which I know it's supposed to be a tough one, but because of Madrid's capability and how I think that they are better than Benfica. Benfica in the last 5 games are unbeaten, both in the local competition and also in the Champions League. It's almost in a good form. Madrid don't have good history when they go away to Benfica, so I want to be careful and give Madrid a double chance. I think say Madrid will stay in the tie, come what may, and then take the game to the Santiago Bernabeu. These games are here in the Champions League, a 2-legged affair, different from what we saw in the group stage. Until we are both first leg with fear, both second leg away, and I think Madrid will stay in the tie as long as possible. So a double chance for them, or on over 1.5. Then they take the game to the Santiago Bernabeu. Which it's the same story for Juventus against Galatasaray. Juventus in call Galatasaray home, and Kunya success in Franco Italy in the Champions League. Gala dominant when they play at home. But this is a new Juventus side. But we play against a team that is more forceful than them and they struggle. This weekend, they lost 3-2 to Inter, coached by Christian Kivu. Now, Luciano Spalletti say, Sene boys need the same style of football. Even with 10 men, they will get success. Now, in front of the graphica, Juve using is a Turkish star boy. Our branch friend Kenan Yildiz, who is going away to Juventus, going away to Galatasaray to go and get a job done. Where did you watch our representative Galatasaray's incredible Juventus victory that spanned over 2 days in 2013? And in 2013, it was such a super tie. But of course, Galatasaray, led by Wesley Sneijder, Didier Drogba, went in there and they got a job done. And now, Uti Okan Burak, who is the coach of Galatasaray, also we are going through a journey that has been a dream for years. This is a great opportunity to work towards our dreams. With the support of our fans, we want to win at home and again, an advantage for the second leg. I think again, if you look at the starting lineup, the team that Galatasaray will set up, and of course, almost some sort of a blow at Juventus saying this weekend against Inter. I think that Gala will stay in the tie. So another game where I feel either goals or a double chance for Gala will be most likely to come in. Juve will come with Pierre Kalulu, Bremen, Kelly, Brent, your friend Cambiaso, then Turam, Meretti, Locatelli, Kenan Yildiz, then Weston McKennie will lead the lines over there for them. And of course, for Galatasaray, Noah Lang, Osimhen, Yunus, Yilmaz, Lucas Torreira, Gabriel Sara, Badaki, Sanchez, and Isalia. Ebewe Chiro Hodum for Tima, your friend Galatasaray. Dortmund, Nefi, actually Tima, your friend Atalanta. Who says how much you're on a group stage?
Okay.
And Atalanta is stubborn. One of the stubborn teams that you can meet. Dortmund should have gone through automatic qualification. Which this is what it looks like Dortmund since the last game on board in the Champions League. Omone Wolfsburg, Omone Omone St. Pauli, Omone 3-2. Omone Union Berlin, Omone 3-2. Omone Heidenheim, they won 3-2. Again, they won this game also against Wolfsburg, and of course against Mainz 04. Omone by 4-0. And then Osha the most assist the German Bundesliga Neymar Dortmund player rising. Of course, all in Europe, El Hodom being one of the top creators El Parker in Fifi. It's a game that I expect a lot of goals to come through inside Dortmund, any Atalanta match. You know? And Rich, Paris Saint-Germain losing this weekend against Stade Rennes on Friday. Mm-hmm. And they are playing against another French opposition at home in the Champions League. They are the defending champions. They are going to Monaco. Essentially, Monaco representing more of luxury in France. When you want luxurious living, and that's where the yachts and the beaches and everything, the rich people don't call France, they call Spending Sika. Rich in the history of both teams, Monaco and Paris Saint-Germain. Monaco are winning 49 games, Paris Saint-Germain are winning 38, and there have been 29 draws between both teams. Almost all of the players now are fit for team my friend Paris Saint-Germain with Ousmane Dembele back in the free. And now, Louis Enrique. Louis Enrique, I will never allow a player to be above the club. On that point, it's clear. The person responsible for the team is me. Neither I, nor the sporting director, nor the president. These statements are worth nothing. And of course, that is exactly what Louis Enrique wants with the players now. Rich, against Monaco, there, away from home, I expect Paris Saint-Germain to bounce back.
Okay.
I expect some good performance, if not for nothing, a Paris Saint-Germain double chance and some goals or match. I don't expect say game the better din be and Paris Saint-Germain for it's a game that I expect say Paris Saint-Germain a bit team. Which of the games you think is going to be trickier?
I think the Dortmund Atlanta game.
Be very tricky.
Yeah, very, very tricky.
But Dortmund
and then who Benfica so on Madrid.
Madrid on.
Team.
But Madrid, would they win straight win or because it's a 2 ties? So maybe you want to take the game away to Santiago.
And then come back and me sure say Madrid game planning now and say
yeah.
You have my time and still now alive.
Yeah.
You have go back to Santiago.
Yeah. I think for most of the teams no more win, that's what they will do. Because the Udi can
go second leg.
Second leg so you don't want to go and open up too much. Near share where we tie no. And I think that is why even games with said Dortmund and Atalanta, no, you need to be slightly careful in navigating those matches. And yes, the game becomes a little bit tough for you. So bit in your match him, the results. But what about the Juventus Galatasaray game? Because I know so almost strength but the only thing is that history favors Galatasaray team, and they have quality as well. Okay. And normally the FA Cup round 5 drawn by. I say Premier League teams then easy visa. Arsenal bought what's the name of the club? Arsenal bought Mansfield Town. Chelsea are playing Wrexham.
Okay.
I think Wrexham is in the Championship. West Ham and so any Brentford more and and then of course Leeds United and then Norwich, Newcastle and Manchester City. And they are probably the most difficult game. But when they Man City DK Newcastle film the Carabao Cup semi-final, and on the in another one in the FA Cup 5th round. And that is going to be very, very interesting inside game. Liverpool play against Wolverhampton Wanderers, who are battling for its possibility to stay our English Premier League. But Rich, I think that is where and then may wrap up all of the conversation. But in Ebeko and a Tuesday and a Champions League night. So as we do, Champions League gives us huge opportunities to make some good money. Now we've sat down to bring you some quotes. And now person Kofi Kesima This is what you have to stake. Rich, first code name BW3 D1609AA. That is the first one, Rich. Things I know you 10 odds. The second one a BW3 D1603E0. Third one a BW3 D1 15F13B. Fourth one, which is BW3 D15E4A6. Rich, these are the codes and me forms on yes here.
As usual, Nyankopon ento green.
Yeah, all of the social media handles. When man show us across social media handles, Fifi Manfred on all the social media handles on Sabeka. Na
me ento green so na obi a obetwa bibia no. Nyame emo no na onso edibi. O say
videos na kokko and only time ntia. But me so the Gabi be bocho. Chelsea boys na ko Dubai take club and ade.
Mo players in dey say ya.
But wo
we ya.
Mo Palma take club na on usual Peru. Tomo bane. Now
club
in discipline. Club in discipline. Kotoko bo match ni
40 year training. Mo go to Dubai.
Obi abdo the whole season.
We any question ma say referee.
We any pre-season. No, I be rest here. Ubo kotoko
Chelsea dey indiscipline.
Kotoko bo match ni we be na o call you. One thing next time. You reach up pictures there ba. Bye bye. Yeah.
And then me player.
Come and work.
Is it me Pierre? Is it me Pierre? Is it me? Okay.